Today we're in Bandon, Oregon, at one of the most recognizable locations on the southern Oregon coast, where this 0.21 acre oceanfront parcel stretches from Beach Loop Drive all the way down to the sandy shoreline below. Before we walk the property itself, it's worth taking in the setting. This is Coquille Point, one of Bandon's most recognizable stretches of coastline. Just offshore are Face Rock, Elephant Rock, Table Rock, and other recognizable sea stacks that are considered icons of the Oregon coast. The view is always changing. Calm summer mornings, dramatic winter storms, rolling fog, colorful sunsets, and shifting tides all create a landscape that never looks exactly the same twice. Old Town Bandon, the harbor, local restaurants, shops, and Bandon Dunes Golf Resort are all only a short drive away. It's a location that continues to draw visitors from around the world. Now let's take a look at the property itself. The property extends from Beach Loop Drive at the top of this bluff all the way down to the beach below, offering both road frontage and ocean frontage. One of the biggest challenges about vacant land is understanding exactly what you're looking at. So we're going to physically walk the approximate corners to give you a better idea about the size, layout, and setting. We're beginning here at the southeast corner of the property. Standing here, you can immediately appreciate the parcel is positioned between Beach Loop Drive and the Pacific Ocean. Now we're going to walk 81 feet to the northeast corner of the property. Now we've made our way to the northeast corner of the property. From here, you can begin to appreciate the width of the property as it stretches towards the coastline. To better understand the property from a different perspective, we're heading down the beach to visit the remaining two corners. Seeing the property from below offers a completely different view of how it sits along the bluff. I'm not sure if you can see it through the camera, but if you just look right before the blue house that's sitting right in the bluff, that's where the parcel lies. Looking back toward the bluff, the property extends another 127 feet from here all the way up to Beach Loop Drive. From this angle, you can also see how the neighboring homes are positioned along the bluff, giving you a visual reference of the surrounding area and how this section of the coastline has developed over time. Let's walk 80 feet to the southwest corner. We're now standing at the southwest and final corner of the property. Experiencing this parcel from both the top of the bluff and the beach below give it a much clearer understanding of its setting. Standing here, it's easy to understand what makes this stretch of coastline so special. The property overlooks one of Bandon's most photographed beaches, where broad stretches of sand, dramatic sea stacks, and the ever-changing Pacific Ocean create a landscape that's uniquely Oregon. Whether it's watching the tide roll in, exploring the shoreline, or simply taking in the view, This location offers a front row seat to one of the state's most iconic coastal settings. As with any vacant land purchase, buyers should complete their own due diligence regarding development and any applicable building requirement. The neighboring homes provide a good visual reference for the surrounding area, but every property is unique. Oceanfront parcels in Bandon, there's just hardly any of them left, especially overlooking Coquille Point and some of the Oregon coast's most recognizable sea stacks. If you'd like more information about this parcel or would like to schedule a showing, be sure to use the link in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe because we release a video every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.